Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lala, also known as Resilient Curls here on YouTube, and I'm coming to you with an update on this hair as well as a review. So if you've missed the installation of this hair, this protective style that I'm wearing right now, it's called the FREETRESS 3x NIKKI Faux Loc. So if you're interested in seeing how I actually installed this hair, don't forget to check out the video, which I'll link above and down below in the description box for your viewing pleasure, because it's definitely easy to follow and it's very beginner friendly. So check it out if you haven't already, and I highly recommend that you check it out and then come back to this video, because as we speak, this hair has been in for more than a month and I have a lot to update you guys on. Just let you see what it looks like. And disclaimer, I do need to wash my hair, which is why I'm gonna actually take out this hair right now. Not saying that I can't wash my hair with it, because hold up. If you do want to maintain this hairstyle and keep your scalp clean, I do have a nice, quick and easy video on how you can wash your protective styles such as braids, faux locks, butterfly locks, whatever you have in your hair, how you can wash your hair and get zero to no frizz and make it look brand new. So if you haven't checked out that video, or if you're interested in seeing that video, it'll be linked for you down in the description box. So check it out after you watch this video and let me know your thoughts. But this is how my hair looks right now. I installed this hair January 2nd, and it is now, today as I'm filming, February 21st, so it's about 7, almost going on 8 weeks of this hairstyle. And let me just tell you that I do not want to take it out. I'm just like so upset that I have to take it out, but it's time to let my natural hair breathe, and also I need a new hairstyle, so it's about that time. But I'll let you see how the hair looks right now at 7 to 8 weeks later. And don't mind any, flakage or whatever you want to call it, because as I said, I gotta wash my hair. Alright? It looks very natural. You don't see much of the parts anymore because I have a lot of new growth, which is a good sign for me. My hair has been growing and it looks super natural. Like, I can't even tell you how many compliments I get about this install at work, when I'm doing errands, when I around family and friends. They always say, oh my gosh, your hair looks so real, it looks so natural. Also, I got real people with locks in their hair asking me who did my locks, who retwisted my locks, and I'm like, oh, for real? It's me. I did it by myself. So I'm very proud of myself, and that is just a thing from me to you that I want to tell you guys, that you can do any hairstyle that you want to do. You do not have to pay full price or pay anyone to do it. It just takes time, patience, and a lot of hours to do it, but it can get done. All right, so let's see. The hair. See, you can barely see my part. It looks super natural, like so natural. Let me give you a 360. So as you can see, the hair looks super natural, and that's one of the first things that made me fall in love with this hair throughout the weeks, is that as it got older, it looks so much more natural, and it was very low maintenance for me, which is perfect. I can get up, put my hair in a quick hairstyle and go. I don't have to worry about it's being messed up, because the more messier it is, the more realistic it looks, and that works for me. I will say, as an update for this hair, in my original installation video, if you haven't watched it already, I did say that it doesn't snag on each other, but I will say that as it got older, and of course with me washing my hair, the hair does tend to have these little snags, but nothing like annoying or anything. And like I said, I don't really mind it because it makes the hair more pliable, so I can move it together and it will actually stay. So yeah, like I can put my hair in a ponytail with just one strand and my hair is staying. And what I like about this hair is that, again, it looks realistic, it's easy to work with, it stays intact, like even throughout the washes and the wear and tear of being with having the hair in for so long, it still looks super natural. And my hair has been intact. It's safely wrapped in between the coils of the locks, and I do really feel like this is a very nice protective style, and I am going to install it again and again. So if you see me with this hair, you might as well think that I have real dreads in, because I'm gonna always put these in. You will see me with this hair again. So as you can see, I have a lot of new growth. And on this side, This one's literally hanging by a thread. Like literally. With this install, because I did individuals, it's super easy to manipulate it, to style it however you want. You can put it up, you can put it down. It's super versatile. Each week you can come into work looking like a different person. Trust me, it happened to me. People didn't know who I was. I love this hair and I highly recommend it. And if you can't find it in your local beauty supply store, keep trying. If not, the dupe for this hair is the Bobbi Boss New Locks. If you can't find this particular hair, then I highly recommend that you try that one. But I will be honest, out of the NIKKI Faux Locs and the Bobbi Boss, I truly enjoyed this install way more, and I love this hair a little bit better, just a little bit better. So I highly recommend that you try to find this on ground at your local beauty supply if you can, because I feel like it looks more realistic and it's just a more natural texture in my opinion. So if you're looking for some faux locks, I do recommend the NIKKI Faux Locs. So that about wraps up this video. I just wanted to show you how my hair has been maintained for the last 7 to 8 weeks of this install, and it looks real natural, and I think I could even keep it in for longer, but like I said, I'm about to take it out to do something else. But other than that, just make sure that when you're doing protective styles, you are protecting your natural hair throughout. Don't just abandon your hair to, you know, have fun with the fake hair. Also protect your hair underneath. So that means moisturizing it, washing it, conditioning it. All the things that you normally do when you have your real hair or your natural hair out, do it the same way as you would do with a protective style. Check out the installation video of this hairstyle if you're interested, and leave me some comments down below. And while you're still here, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, subscribe down below by clicking the red subscribe button and turn it gray so that I know that you're down for whatever is coming next on this channel and you don't want to miss it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!